So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make millions of coins in FIFA Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. Right now we've got the team list season event, of course, but not only that, we've got What If and also UCL event. This came out a long time ago, but it's still here. With UCL event you can obviously get players and you can get road to the final cards as well. Now, I have risked one of my players here, one of my cards. I risked Ederson because I thought Man City were gonna beat Real Madrid, and this is exactly what happened. As you can see, I've still got those two Edersons right here. I sold every single other card, like I've sold Mendy's, I've sold Camavingas, I've still got DiMarcos because they're still there. Obviously, Man City, it's Man City against Inter in the final, so you can go and make some good amount of coins with road to the final cards. If you go Ederson right now, I wouldn't sell them. I wouldn't sell Ederson. I wouldn't sell any road to the final Man City or Inter cards right now. We can go ahead and check in the market as well with UCL and clubs. For example, I'm going to check Man City. There is also Grealish, who is a very good one. If you go ahead and look at it, Ederson is still 80, 83, 84. You can probably sell him for like 85, 86 million coins right now in my market anyways. And as I said, I wouldn't suggest you to do that. I think his price is going to go up and his rating is going to go up next week to 111 overall, which means his price is going to go up even more. And next, obviously, it's Man City against Inter in the final. And let's be honest, most likely Man City are going to beat Inter Milan, and he is potentially going to become 112 overall. So I wouldn't sell him. Obviously, if you don't want to wait until the final, and if you want to sell him right now, then I would sell him whenever his price is gonna be at his maximum, of course. And that's gonna be after he gets an upgrade and becomes 111 overall. Same thing with Grealish. I have sold my Grealish cards. I think I had a couple of them, and unfortunately I did sell them because I wanted to just get rid of them. Actually, let's go ahead and check how much I sold them for, because I think they are here. I sold them for 11 mil. Look at that. I have lost quite a few coins with Grealish by selling him. I had two and I sold them for 11.4 mil. And now he's 14 mil, and he's gonna continue going up because he's gonna become 109 overall next week. And potentially he's gonna become 110 overall after Man City beat Inter Milan. So that's a little bit annoying for me. But I'll still go Ederson right here, as you can see. I've got two Edersons. I've still got coins in them, and I still don't think I'm gonna sell those Ederson cards quite yet. I think I'm gonna wait for the final and maybe sell him after, or maybe if I want to get as much coins as possible right now, after he gets an upgrade to 111 overall, I might sell him after that. There are obviously Inter Milan players as well. If you want to go ahead and invest in Inter Milan players, that's not gonna be that bad of an idea either. Obviously, like I wouldn't buy Ederson cards right now either. I wouldn't buy Ederson cards right now because I think there is still a slight chance he's not gonna he's not gonna go up that much. But if you got Ederson in your team right now, in your squad, I wouldn't sell him either. There is Lukaku, Dumfries, there are a lot of road to the final 108 overall Inter cards, as you can see. Lukaku is one of them, Dumfries is one of them, Gosens. All of these cards are going to go up to 109 next week, and there is also 105 overall. Ake, who is gonna become 106 and potentially 107, and DiMarco is going to become 106 and potentially 107 if Inter do actually beat Man City, which I don't think they will. So that's interesting. If you, as I said, like if you want to risk your coins and go to the final cards, I think Grealish is a safer bet than Ederson, because Ederson is just worth a lot of coins and he has to go up a lot more just so you will break even with tax, of course. If you buy Ederson for like 85 mil, he needs to go up another 8.5 mil for you to go to break even because of EA tax, of course. It's an annoying thing, but EA tax actually exists, and you need to take that into consideration as well. So I wouldn't buy him right now. He's on the up, but if you got him, I think he's gonna go up even more, and you're gonna make some more coins. If you want to go ahead and buy a player, I think Grealish is a little bit safer bet. Also, the other cards the other card types which are gonna get an upgrade, or which have a chance to get an upgrade, is obviously fantasy right here. Some of these fantasy cards have already got an upgrade. For example, there is 111 overall Alexis Sanchez. He was 110 overall, but now he became 111 overall because he scored a couple of goals. He got a couple of goal assists pretty much, and the same thing with Callum Wilson right here. He got an upgrade from 108 overall to 109 overall. If you want to go ahead and check which one of these cards can get an upgrade and who are gonna give higher overall cards pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you right now. Pretty much the way they can get an upgrade, obviously attackers need to get some goal and assists in these last couple of matches. Defenders need to keep clean sheet, and also it depends on their team performance as well. So I'm gonna show that to you right now. So here is the full list for the attackers if you want to know that. We got Vlahovic, Sanchez, Werner, Dybala, every single one of these cards. I'm not gonna go through one by one. You can go ahead and screenshot that if you want to. And here are the defenders as well: Gabriel, Araujo, Tagliafico, and all that. If it says yes, that means they are unbeaten. The team is unbeaten. If it says no, that means the team is not unbeaten pretty much. So there is definitely a serious chance that some more of these cards are gonna get an upgrade as well, and it's a risk if you want to invest in them. If you invest in them and if the team does well, you're gonna make coins. But if the team doesn't do well, unfortunately, you're gonna make coins. So that's a little bit of a risk. I still wouldn't invest in any of these cards. So I don't think it's worth it right now. I wouldn't invest in any of them. But the last way you can get coins right now is obviously in the foundation. It's the weekend, and we once again got these type of exchanges: 102, 103, 104, 105, and 106 overall player exchanges to get some coins. And if you got extra players, if you got extra cards that you cannot sell in the market, you can go and put them in here and get some coins. Get some coins for them. So for example, Sergio Gomez, I've got this 102 overall card right now. I'm gonna put that in, and I got 350,000 coins. Most likely you're gonna get the minimum amount, but there is a chance you're gonna get some more coins as well. And if you don't have players right now in your team, I wouldn't suggest you to buy them from the market. I cannot lie. It's very, very hard to buy these cards for minimum price. If you buy those cards at minimum price, then I would say it's worth it. But I think that's the best way you can do this exchanges. Just the cards that you got in your team and put them in there to get some extra coins. Now I saw that I had Forster, and he's probably in one of these teams. I'm gonna take him out wherever he is, and I'm gonna put him in that exchange as well. Let's actually see how much he is worth as well. He might be worth more than that exchange. He's worth 720k, so I might not sell him, because I can get like 500,000 coins for that, right? There is a chance I'm gonna get more, of course, so that's the reason I'm gonna do that exchange still. But I'm most likely gonna get 500,000. If you got a player who is worth more than 500k for 103 overall player exchange, and the same thing with any of the overalls, I would suggest you to just sell them. Because you're most likely gonna pack lowest amount here. Obviously, I didn't pack the lowest amount. I packed 600,000 coins from here, but that's still less than how much force there is right now. I haven't got any 104s right now, 105s. I have got a couple of 105s. Do I want to put Milinkovic Savic there? I think he's like 1.1, 1.2 mil. So let's go ahead and risk it. And nope, we got 900,000 coins. Alright, that's not great. I'm definitely not putting DeMarcos in there or team of the season cards, because they're gonna be useful for me in the challenge mode if I do decide to do the challenge mode. I went through the 105s already. 106, I'm not gonna put Kvaratskhelia there as well. I'm never gonna do that. I love him too much. But yeah, that's gonna be the end for today then. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.